The first step of the AromaTouch Hand Technique is the oil introduction. Take one hand of the recipient palm up and place 1 to 3 drops of oil in the palm, and spread the oil across the palm side of the hand. Turn the recipient's hand palm down. While holding both sides of the hand, stretch the tissue of the top of the hand by moving your thumbs from the center to the outer edge. Turn the recipient's hand so that the palm is again facing up and begin the 3-region thumb circles. Starting in region 1, move your thumbs in small circles while applying medium pressure. Continue to work the entire surface area of regions 2 and 3. Next, move into the 5-zone thumb walk. Beginning in Zone 1, place your thumbs close to the wrist and alternately work thumbs down the entire length of Zone 1 to the tip of the finger. Perform this movement 3 times on each zone before moving to the next. perform the interphalangeal pull, use your thumb and forefinger to pull the soft tissue between the thumb and forefinger away from the wrist. Perform this movement 3 times between each finger before moving on to the next. Repeat each step of the hand technique on the recipient's other hand.